it's like kind of sometimes like the motorcyclists, when they're driving by you, they give you the peace sign, they give you the thumbs up. Sometimes they just do one of these, like, hey, like a mini dab or something. So my favorite thing is just, you know, pull over as far as they can get, you know, a thumbs up or something, because, you know, that makes me feel real good. Woo! Woo! Oh yeah! Hey yo! When does that state? All trucks stop at my uncle's? Okay. Okay. W60 to be closed. Good thing I used DW40 every day. I'm gonna have to go to this checkpoint, so, you know, gonna have to look kind of cool. Yeah, hold on. They thought I was gorgeous and button my shirt, put my hat on backwards there, boy. Oh, got a pedestrian here on the side here. He's taking a piss, guys. He's pissing. You pissing, bro? Home sweet smog, baby, you know. Wisconsin. Beautiful. It's a beautiful fucking view of this traffic here. I love traffic. It's my favorite. Yeah. I can't get enough of it. Look at that majestic flag there, just waving.
And I'm proud to be an American. At least I know I'm free. And I proudly.
The sun, here comes the sun out of the bullshit. Smoggy, you need to clean. Someone comment if I need to clean my windows. 95% of the people driving here got beards. I'm going to shave when I get home. I don't want to be this thick. Give me the peace sign, bro. Yeah, give me that peace sign, bro. Yeah. You know, what do you like to do in traffic? Do you get the guys to wave at you? Do they do that in your country and stuff? You know, write it down in the comments below if they do thumbs up motorcyclists. If the motorcyclist thumbs up the other motorcyclist, or if it's I don't know. Or if they just, if they even do that there. Do you even have traffic there? Whatever.